Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I noticed that when I went back to edit that there was a really loud beeping noise throughout my entire recording, so there's something up with my mic. So this week you get voiceover, Michelle. Lucky you. We're going to be doing a quick and easy brown eye look, and I actually did this while I was out traveling. I took the Colourpop Sandstone palette with me, and it just proved to be the perfect palette for traveling. It has just enough colors and a mix of warm browns and cool browns, as well as some interesting highlight colors. So if you're interested in this look that I'm about to show you, then stay tuned. First step I'm going to do is take an eyeshadow base, a white colored one, and use my finger to tap that all over my eyelid. And I want to make sure that I use a really thin layer so that there's no creasing. Next step I'm going to do while that eyeshadow base is drying is go in and do my brows. I'm going to go back to using the other brow pencil that I've been using previously just to fill in the tail end of my brows, and just going through with the spoolie to comb out and disperse that product. Taking one of the lighter shades in the palette, Big Ben, I'm taking a big fluffy blending brush and just going over my entire lid and just setting that eyeshadow base a little bit. First, I'm going to begin by taking a smaller blending brush and taking the color Big Butt and just tapping that right on the outer corner of my eyes. Kind of imagine where you would put your winged eyeliner, and that's exactly where I started placing down that color before I took a big blending brush and blended that color out. Once I have a basis laid down, I'm going to go in with a smaller blending brush again, tap on the color Templeton right over that color, and I'm going to blend it inwards a little bit just so that it covers about 1/4 of that eyelid, making my outer V more smoky. On to highlight, I took the color Bell Rock and with my pinky finger, and I tapped that onto my tear duct. And finally, for the center of the lid, I used the color Red Earth and tapped that on with my ring finger, and then I've just cleaned up the edges with a clean finger. I skipped out on the eyeliner for this week, so I just moved on to mascara after giving my eyelashes a nice curl and just focusing the attention right at that lash line after going through with a few coats. To finish off the face, I just went in with a natural looking blush. I did the Pericone No Makeup Blush, and I started off by putting it in the center of where I wanted it, leaving a little bit of room above and below because I knew I was going to tap it out with my fingers. And for my lippy, I just went in with a clear gloss from Lime Crime. So this is the finished look. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully next week I get my mic up and running. Thanks again for watching. Let me know down below what you think of my easy look if you tried it out at all, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!